1. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. 2. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. 3. Tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember, involve me and I learn. For well done is better than well said. 5. In this world, nothing can be said to be certain, except death and taxes. 6. Diligence is the mother of good luck. 7. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. 8. Guests, like fish, begin to smell after 3 days. 9. By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. 10. Energy and persistence conquer all things. 11. Lost time is never found again. 12. Honesty is the best policy. 13. He that can have patience can have what he will. 14. Never leave that till tomorrow which you can do today. 15. Do not anticipate trouble, or worry about what may never happen. Keep in the sunlight. 16. There are 3 things extremely hard: steel, a diamond, and to know oneself. 17. An investment in knowledge always pays the best interest. 18. Write your injuries in dust, your benefits in marble. 19. Do not fear mistakes, you will know failure. Continue to reach out. 20. Be at war with your vices, at peace with your neighbors. And let every new year find you a better man.